Actually, Zumba's on now, so we've got a Zumba. So it's long for two.
It looks like a 4 for 3. With that stage. So that's afternoon.
Well, there is a where between the tent.
Yeah, that's right. There is normally a stage.
Well, there is an each stage, isn't there?
There's normally a soccer this day, the first Saturday, you know, upon
At some point, interesting, the old players will always go.
Bye! Good. Well, non-chili like
Very good. You're welcome to come and join us over there. I think we're in this area. Yeah.
how to feel. You see, I hope that.